Today we are going to take a look at some of the most amazing usable tools. So, without any further ado, let's get right into it. 8th tool. Rolova. Rolova, the world's first compact digital rolling ruler. We are introducing a new way to measure by removing the complexities of a traditional ruler. The Rolova is compact and simple to use. Just press and hold the button on the back and roll it across a surface. It creates and saves accurate measurements you can count on in the unit of your choice. Whether you are a designer or a tech lover, Rolova is for everyone. The rolling ruler is designed to fit seamlessly into your lifestyle. Rolova comes with a genuine leather case that fits onto your keychain in a second. Seventh tool. Universal Impact Extension Socket. Sixth tool. Batavia Flip-Out Multi-Angle Screwdriver. Fifth tool. Matco Split Beam Torque Wrench. Fourth tool. Batavia Max Brush. Third tool. KC Firewood Splitter. The kindling cracker king is the easiest and safest way to cut larger pieces of wood for your campfire, stove or fireplace. almost twice as big as the original kindling cracker. It has a 9-inch wide ring to handle bigger pieces of firewood. The unique design prevents your fingers from getting close to a moving blade, making it safer than using a standard axe. And it requires less force to split wood, making it easier to use. Built in Australia of high-quality cast iron with an award-winning patented design. It's made to last for generations. Plus it's virtually maintenance-free. It's lightweight, portable and has bolt holes for permanent mounting. So it's always within reach when you need to easily and safely cut larger pieces of wood. You need the Kindling Cracker King, the safer, faster and easier way to make kindling for your fire. Second tool. Knipex Swedish Pipe Wrench.